Title: AI and Job Market. Will AI replace human jobs? The introduction of AI and job market. Will AI replace human jobs? AI is transforming the job market at an unprecedented pace. From automation to new opportunities, the big question remains: will AI replace human jobs? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore how AI is reshaping industries, the risks it poses, and the jobs of the future. Stick around to find out if your job is safe from AI. Now, the first question is, how AI is automating jobs. Visuals of this are factory robots, self-checkout machines, AI customer service chatbots. AI is taking over repetitive and data-driven tasks in many industries. Here are a few sectors already seeing automation. In manufacturing, the robots are replacing assembly line workers and increasing the efficiency but reducing human roles. In retail and customer service, self-checkout systems and AI chatbots are handling the customer interactions. And in finance and banking, AI analyzes data, detects fraud, and even makes investment decisions. Also in healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and even performing robotic surgeries. AI in transportation. Self-driving technology is advancing rapidly, threatening jobs in trucking and delivery. Now move to the second question, which is risks of AI replacing jobs. The visuals are workers worried about job loss, news headlines on automation. While AI brings efficiency, it also comes with major risks for workers, such as, number one, is job displacement. Millions of jobs are at risk, especially in sectors that rely on routine tasks. Second is wage gaps. AI could create a divide between high-tech job earners and those left behind. And the third is ethical concerns. How do we ensure AI doesn't replace humans unfairly or create biases in hiring? The fourth risk is economic shifts. Entire industries could change, forcing workers to adapt or reskill. Now the third question is the future of work and new job opportunities. Its visuals are AI developers, robotics engineers, futuristic offices. But it's not all bad news. AI is also creating new opportunities. Some jobs of the future include: first is AI and machine learning engineers. Develop and maintain AI systems. Second is data analysts and AI ethics specialists. Ensure AI is fair, unbiased, and used ethically. Third is cybersecurity experts. Protect AI systems from threats. The fourth opportunity is human-AI collaboration specialists. Help companies integrate AI with human workers. And the fifth is creative and emotional intelligence jobs. Artists, therapists, and jobs requiring human emotion will always be in demand. The fourth question is how to prepare for an AI-driven job market. The visuals of this are online learning, coding boot camps, professionals adapting to AI. So how can you stay ahead? Here are some ways to future-proof your career. Number one is learn AI and tech skills. Understanding AI basics can give you an edge. Number two is adaptability is key. Be open to reskilling and learning new tools. At third position is focus on human-centric skills. Jobs requiring creativity, empathy, and leadership will remain valuable. And the number four is use AI as a tool, not a threat. Learn to work alongside AI rather than compete with it. So, will AI replace human jobs? The answer isn't simple. Some jobs will vanish, but new ones will emerge. The key is adaptation. What do you think? Is your job safe from AI? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into AI and the future of work. See you in the next video.